Our job is to solve this system by graphing. And if that is our job, let's go ahead and get each linear equation in slope-intercept form. We try not to make a bloody mess. Anyway, I'm working with the top equation, and I want that y alone, so I will subtract x from both sides. When I do, I've got 2y is equal to negative x plus 6. Now I want to undo times 2 with divide 2. I'll divide everything by 2. That gives me a negative 1/2 x, and 6 divided by 2 makes 3. Okay, well now that I've got this form, I can see that my y-intercept is 3. So I'm going to plot a point at 3 on the y-axis. I can also see that my slope is negative 1/2, which means that this line is going down from left to right. We'll plot a point down 1 to the right 2, down 1 to the right 2. I do a lot of points whenever I have to solve by graphing. Not our favorite method. Let's connect these points with a line, and we'll get started on graphing the other line. So now we're going to work with this double x minus y is 7. Same thing. Let's take that double x minus y is 7 and get y alone. We really mean it. Now x has got to go. Let's subtract 2x from both sides. We have the opposite of y is negative 2x plus 7. We'll undo times negative 1 with divide by negative 1. That gives us positive y is 2x minus 7. And we can see now that our y-intercept is negative 7. We know that once y is alone. We can also see that our slope is 2, and that slope is the same as 2 over 1. So we'll use it. Start a point at negative 7 on the y-axis, and now with a positive slope, we can travel upright. That's up 2 to the right 1, upright, up 2 to the right 1, up 2 to the right 1, up 2 right, and we're looking for the place where these lines meet. We can see it. Okay, so we've got a point of intersection. That point of intersection being right here. And we'll write that solution as an ordered pair. Those two lines meet where x is 4, y is 1. That is the solution to the system. We could check it in a number of ways with other methods or just plugging it in. We did get one answer. And because we got one answer, we could say that this is an independent system.